Today, we're looking at how you can use social media as an information hub to support your customers. This is the AAT, and they support accountants and those doing qualifications across the UK. The AAT created this post as almost like a Q&A or a frequently asked questions for anyone asking questions around their upcoming qualifications. And it's actually a really good idea. They preempted what frequently asked questions would be around these qualifications, and then they created a huge post that gives people pretty much every single answer to any question that anyone might have at all regarding the upcoming qualifications. Now, first of all, they started with the eye-catching image. So the qualifications 2022 FAQ, find all your answers here. And then they've let you know that this is the official FAQ. So people normally post these on their website, and rather than saying here's a link where people have to work much harder, instead what they've done is they've actually taken the FAQ and created an entire post around it. So they've physically posted all the information in here, knowing that people would look at it based on the image, and then physically clicking in on it and then having all the information straight away without having to go searching for it, which is excellent customer service. And it also means that they can keep all the kind of questions and any other queries all in one space. They've also done really well at responding back to people as well. Here you can see that people have asked questions and they've responded back to them in a timely manner as well, which, to be fair, doing anything like this, you have to make sure that you're on top of your comments. So it's got 145 engagements, 87 comments and 21 shares, which is excellent. Now, if I was them, and obviously they clearly work hard on their social media, I would want to see what's working for me and what's not, and be able to pull together a report very quickly. So I would go to the Maybe platform, go to listening, go to insight summary, and then I would click on the AAT, which would be here instead of Maybe Tech. And then here you can click in and you can do a full report. So you can look at your insights, you can look at your ads, and you can look at the conversation across all the social media channels. At a glance, you can see the total number of followers you've got across Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You can look at the total number of posts across each of them as well. The number of engagement that you get. So obviously that got a high volume of engagement, so you'd expect to see that in there, and it'd be interesting to see if they get that on a regular basis. And the number of posts per day, average engagement across Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram in that date range, average engagement across them per day, and then the best post. So that's the post that's had the most engagement across each of the channels. And then you can go in and you can view your calendar. So any of the previous content that you've done, any content that you've got upcoming, and then you can actually go in and start scheduling content as well. But it just means that they can start to monitor very quickly how their social media across each of the channels is performing as a whole. Now, if you've got any questions whatsoever, click on the little blue button. We'd love to help.